Welcome to Rising with Soccer.
Argentina versus Brazil. The game will be played in Brazil. Let's look into lineup and formations for both teams. First, let's look into Argentina. Argentina will be going with the 4-3-3 formation with Emiliano Martinez in goal, Otamendi and Pezzella as centre back partners, Acuna and Molina as fullbacks. Then they will be having midfield trio of Lo Celso, De Paul, and Paredes. Paredes plays for PSG, Lo Celso plays for Spurs, and De Paul plays for Udinese. Then coming to the all-round awesome attack, Lionel Messi, Aguero, Martinez. Martinez have won in Serie A with Inter. Aguero has won Premier League with Man City. Lionel Messi could not win anything this year, but still Messi is Messi. So we can see such a strong side Argentina is having. And coming to the Colombian side, we will be having David Ospina in goal, a very good goalkeeper, experienced player. Sanchez and Mina as a centre back partners. Davison Sanchez plays for Spurs. Yerry Mina plays for Everton. So both player plays in Premier League. Then fullbacks will be Tessilo and Munoz, and they will be going with the 4-2-2 form, 4-4-2 formation. Then Luis Diaz from Porto will be as a left working as a left winger. Cuadrado from Juventus will be playing as a right winger. Then Kuehler and Barrios will be playing at midfielder positions. And coming to the Atlanta attack, Muriel and Zapata. Atlanta players have been very great in performance in Euro 2020. Let's see whether Muriel and Zapata will also able to replicate their teammates' form in this fixture against Argentina. Players to watch will be Lionel Messi from Argentina and Yerry Mina from Colombia, because both of these players are very good. My prediction is Argentina will be going to win this game to book their place in finals, and hopefully they will win. But it will be a very thrilling encounter. Messi might be having this as a last or second last chance to win something with Argentina, and hopefully he will get into finals and get nearer to the first national trophy. Then coming to the Squawka analysis for the both teams, if we see Argentina is having better opta performance index than Colombia. Both teams have played 5 games. Ball recoveries, you can see Colombia 306. That means they like to press high. Then position lost. Argentina has lost lesser position than Colombia. That means passing accuracy of Argentina is good. You can see passes attempted 2,336 and 86% passing accuracy, which is good. Then looking at the goals, we can see Argentina has scored 10 goals in 5 games. That is 2 goals per game as an average. 57 shots and shot accuracy of 64%, which is very good. And looking at Colombia, Colombia has only scored 3 goals in normal game. That means they have played 5 games and only able to score 3 goals, and still they are in semi-final. That means their defensive performance must be very good when they were when they were playing in the knockout stages of this tournament. And their shot accuracy is also very less, which is not a good uh, data, to be honest. Looking at the tackles made, Colombia obviously will be having lesser possession of the ball, so they will be making more tackles. Take-ons completed by Argentina, obviously they have quality players who can dribble past the midfielders, defenders, who can easily uh, uh, provide the long passes, short passes. So they are obviously take-ons completed will be higher for them. Take-on success rate, if you see, it is better for Colombia with 61.36%, and aerial duel success is also better for Colombia. Looking at both teams, clean sheets 3, goals conceded by Argentina is 2, and goals conceded by Colombia 4. So if we see where Colombia goals conceded is, they conceded 2 goals against Brazil and 2 goals against Peru. That's why 4 goals in total they have conceded in this tournament, and Argentina only conceded against uh, Chile and Bolivia. So we can see only 2 goals conceded. Looking at both teams' last 4 matches since 2016, Argentina have won once. There are 2 draw matches. One was international friendly and one was FIFA World Cup qualifier. And November 16 game also was a FIFA World Cup qualifier. And Argentina lost in 2019 to Colombia in Copa America. But that was in 2019, and the teams have been changed. The players have aged and experienced. So you can see Argentina's form in last 5 games. Argentina has won 4 and drawn 1. Looking at Colombia form, won 2, lost 2, draw 1. So going into this game, Argentina will be super happy and they will be very confident of winning this game. But Colombia can always provide a cracker of the game, and they might go on to win this game because Cuadrado, Yerimina, then Zapata, Muriel, these are good players. They can really hurt Argentina when the ball is properly served to them. So it will be a thrilling encounter, but I think Argentina will have better of it, and Argentina will win this game. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.